In a significant move to alleviate the financial burden of prescription medications, Arizona is set to join forces with 5 other states to provide its residents with discounts on these essential drugs, as announced by Governor Katie Hobbs on Wednesday morning. The Array RX discount card initiative, however, will not be accessible to Arizonans until early 2026. Christian Slater, a spokesperson for the governor, emphasized to the Arizona Mirror that the executive order signed by Hobbs on Wednesday is a vital initial step in this collaborative effort. Arizona will align with Oregon, Washington, Nevada, Ohio, and Connecticut in this nonprofit partnership, which aims to make essential and preventative medications more affordable for its residents. A health tracking poll conducted in May 2025 by KSF revealed that nearly half of the adults surveyed across the U.S. reported difficulties in managing healthcare costs, with about 1/3 admitting to postponing necessary medical care due to financial constraints. KFF is a non-profit organization dedicated to health policy research and analysis. The Array RX discount cards will be provided at no cost to Arizonans and will offer discounts on all FDA-approved prescriptions, as well as certain over-the-counter medications and diabetes testing supplies, according to the governor's office. These cards can be utilized at most pharmacies nationwide, offering discounts of up to 80% on generic medications and up to 18% on brand name prescriptions. This initiative is particularly beneficial for individuals with high deductible insurance plans, those lacking adequate prescription benefits, and the uninsured population. For far too long, many families have found the rising costs of prescription drugs to be a barrier to the Arizona promise. We are committed to changing that, Hobbs stated during a press briefing on Wednesday morning. I am proud to take decisive action that will help keep money in the pockets of Arizonans, create pathways to health and well-being, and restore the Arizona promise for families throughout the state. A notable distinction between the Array RX discount cards and other existing discount programs, such as Good RX, is that Array RX is managed by a steering committee composed of dedicated public servants who have pledged not to sell user data. Dr. Trevor Douglas, the director of the prescription drug program at the Oregon Health Authority, remarked during the press briefing, I have seen firsthand the transformative effects that collaborative efforts from committed public servants can have on our communities. Array RX signifies a major advancement toward our collective mission to ensure that everyone, regardless of their background or financial status, has access to the medications they need for a healthy and fulfilling life. The inception of the prescription discount card program dates back to 2006, when Washington and Oregon collaborated to establish the Northwest Prescription Drug Consortium, aimed at reducing costs through negotiations with manufacturers and volume purchasing discounts. The program was rebranded as Array RX in 2022 as additional states joined the initiative. We have forged a strong partnership that harnesses the expertise, knowledge, and purchasing power of our collective members, Douglas, a member of the Array RX steering committee, stated. This collaboration enables us to negotiate better pricing, streamline administrative processes, and ultimately provide greater value to the communities we serve in each of our states. Hobbs made the Array RX announcement at the beginning of a busy day on her Arizona Promise Tour, which she initiated earlier this year to highlight her achievements as governor. Although these tour stops are not campaign events, it is worth noting that Hobbs, a Democrat, is seeking re-election in 2026. On Wednesday, Hobbs engaged with a single mother of 4 in North Phoenix who benefited from the Efficiency Arizona program to install energy-efficient appliances. She also visited a family who recently purchased their first home through the Arizona is Home program. celebrated the removal of co-pays for reduced-price school meals at a middle school, highlighted Arizona's investments in expanding technical training opportunities at the Phoenix Electrical Apprenticeship Program, and met with state troopers and dispatchers to discuss their recent 5% pay increase in the state budget. Looking ahead, Hobbs plans to continue her Arizona Promise Tour with stops in Nogales, San Simon, and Tucson on Thursday.